Alright, for my video, I'm going to be teaching on how to complete a square by solving its quadratic form equation. Alright, so on this equation that we have here, we have x squared minus 6 plus 1 equals 0. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is move the 1 to the opposite side, so we want something over there. So we have x squared minus 6x equals -1. Alright, and since we want this to turn into a quadratic equation, we need a third number there. So we take half of 6 and we square it, which is 9, so we need to add 9 to both sides, which leaves us with x squared minus 6 x plus 9 is equal to 8. There. Alright, and since we have a quadratic equation there, that can be simplified out to 3's on both sides, and the way that you get that is you just basically find out what times each other is equal to 9 and what adds up to equal -6. So it'd be -3. And you gotta remember to put the 8 on there as well, just tag that on. Alright, and now we're gonna want to get x by itself. So how do we get rid of the squared up top? We square root it, square root both sides, because what you do to one side you have to do to the other. We'll have to x minus 3 is equal to square root of 8. Alright, then after that, since there's a square root there, we have to put the plus or minus on it, because it could be positive or a -8. Doesn't matter right now, but it will later. Alright, to get x by itself, we add 3, which would equal x equals 3 plus or minus root 8. Alright, and now since there's two different solutions here, plus root 8 and minus root 8, we're going to have two zeros. So first 0 is going to be 3 plus root 8, and the second 0 is going to be 3 minus root 8. Alright, because 3 plus root 8 is one equation, 3 minus is a whole nother situation there. Two completely different answers, both are zeros to this equation.